it was thanks to maintaining a safe distance that this rider had a lot of time to react and make the right decision.
During this accident, my front end lost traction, and we might ask, why did the front end lose traction? And usually that's a couple different factors. In this crash, the factors were a cold road. My front tire was approaching wear bars, and I was also speeding. So if you took away any of those factors, the crash might have not happened. Ride safe, everyone.
This biker was very right to draw the attention of the driver in the back, who in the end completely didn't understand the whole situation.
How close do you want to be? What is that? Get away from me! One GFL 822. The red, baby! My bike on fire? Oh. Is that oil? Or is that coolant? Looks like coolant. You overheating, brother? Oh.
Here you have one of the worst types of drivers who deliberately ignores other road users, being quite a big danger on the road.
Hey! We'll see. Oh my God. Oh my, oh! Dude. Oh. 08. Hey, hey, hey! Bro, pull that over. Stop car. Stop. Stop car. Hey, Cardo, music off. Stop. Hey, man, you just got in a wreck, dude. Listen, don't run away. It's okay. It's okay. It happens. This stuff happens. It's okay. All right? Calm down. No, it's all right, bud. Don't freak out, okay? But you got to go back there because you will go to jail, okay? So look, you got insurance. Everything's going to be okay. Maybe he will be okay. He might not even want to deal with it, okay? But go back there and let's go to the gas station, all right? It's going to be okay. We're not going to beat you up or nothing, all right? We promise. Hey, 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 it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool.
No, I'm not mad.
Okay.
We gotta turn around.
Right. He's cool. He's going to come back.
We gotta turn around.
You're going to come back, right? It's okay, bud. It's okay. Nobody's going to do nothing. I promise. Just do the right thing. Always in life. Remember that, bro. You're doing the right thing right now. Just follow us. We're going to U-turn right at the next U-turn and go back to that gas station, and we'll talk about it and see where we go from here. It's okay. Have you been drinking or anything? Okay, then you're fine, dude. You're fine. Okay? All right, come on. I got your license plate, so don't run. Okay. I know it was.
He didn't even damage my bike.
You good?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Good.
He says he's good.
Okay.
So you're good to go, bro.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, don't.
That was my fault, bro. Okay. Yo, I'm so sorry. I really am.
You good, bud?
I apologize, dude. I didn't even see you. I pulled out. That's my fault. I apologize.
Okay.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you guys. Be safe.
All right, bro. Hey, you did the right thing, dude. Good job, brother.
thanks.
Awesome, man. I won't put your face in none of this. I'll blur it out. You got it, bro. Good job, man.
Are you stupid?
Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.